Should you need to wash eggs before using them? Eggs are a versatile, affordable staple used in both baking and savory cooking, valued for their texture, structure, and nutrition. But to get the most out of a carton, proper handling matters, which raises a common question. Should you wash eggs before storing or using them? The answer depends on where they came from. Commercial eggs and the risk of bacteria. Eggs may carry bacteria on their shells, but store-bought eggs are already washed under strict safety standards. Washing them again can actually increase contamination risk, as water can be drawn through the shell's pores, according to the USDA. What about countries aside from the US? In most other countries, unwashed eggs are shelf-stable because a natural bloom or cuticle protects the shell. In American facilities, this layer is washed off, so eggs need refrigeration to avoid condensation. Fresh, unwashed US farm or backyard eggs tend to stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. How to wash fresh eggs? For freshly laid backyard eggs, use warm running water, warmer than the egg, to prevent bacteria from being drawn inside. Experts recommend sanitizing with a mild bleach solution if needed, but many, like steel, prefer washing only just before use. Keeping nesting boxes clean, collecting eggs often, and dry wiping dirt helps preserve the protective bloom, especially for counter storage. How to safely handle fresh eggs. After cleaning or disinfecting eggs, sanitize all surfaces and wash your hands thoroughly. Cook eggs to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or until firm to kill bacteria like salmonella. Contamination can exist inside eggs from infected hens, so avoid raw or undercooked foods as cookie dough and dressings.